trends of the day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, humble tributes to the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji on his Punyatithi. He was one of the prominent leaders during the freedom movement and played a significant role towards nation's unity and integration after independence. 3 days of I Camp. 3 days of I Camp is going on at Dera Sacha Sauda, where people from different religion are getting their eye treatment, and elderly care is provided by volunteers of DSS with inspiration of Gurmeet Ram Rahim Ji Insan, who teach us about true humanity. Superman. Henry Cavill loved The Witcher, but clearly wanted the studio to respect the book material, and it must have disappointed him to see them mock it. He ended up eventually leaving it behind for Superman, only for DC to drop him again within 2 months. France vs Morocco. France beat Morocco 2-0 to set up World Cup final against Argentina. Result, reaction and analysis. France will play Argentina in the 2022 World Cup final after the reigning champions defeated Morocco 2-0 on Wednesday. Digital Rupee. CBDC is a legal tender issued by the RBI in digital form. It is the same as the fiat currency and is exchangeable 1-to-1 with the fiat currency. Only its form is different. It is not paper like physical cash. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Rise Smart Bangla.